everyone, my name is Angelo Lagazo from grade 2C-Ruby. Today I am gonna do an experiment with paper. From our topic for today, physical change. We need a piece of paper. We fold it in half. It's okay if it's not perfect. Then unfold. Then flip to the other side. Then put this corner here. Then fold until here. And then unfold. Then flip to the other side. Then rip a bit. Then put your hands like this. Then rip it. Now you have a square paper. Then unfold it. Fold it in half on the other side. Then unfold. Now you have this. Put these together. To form this. Then flip this one to the other side. Then flip. Then do the same. Then open it all. And then turn it into the diamond shape. Then do the same on the other side. Then go to the other side, then fold the same way. Then unfold all, and then fold until this. Then unfold, then put this corner like this, making a longer diamond shape. Now we'll fold it. Then we'll do the same on the other side. First, fold it until here. Then unfold. And then put this corner here. And then flip to the other side and unfold it. Now you have this. Fold this until here and this matching. Do the same to the other four sides. So that's 2, 3, and 4. Now you have this. Then unfold, then stretch it until a teeny weeny bit comes out. There. Now, our crane is ready. Thank you. Bye.